A tiny beetle looks harmless, until one hungry toad learns this bug carries a boiling surprise. Jungle floor, still leaves, one small beetle, one big threat. Guess which one controls this scene? The toad creeps closer. No claws, no speed, no armor show. So how does this beetle stay alive? The answer hides in its tail. Two stored chemicals, locked apart like a loaded science trick. Chamber 1 holds one chemical. Chamber 2 holds another. Separate storage keeps it safe. The second danger hits, tiny valves open, and both liquids rush into a tough reaction room. Heat spikes fast, pressure builds faster. Inside the chamber, chemistry turns fear into a weapon. Pop! A boiling spray blasts out in pulsing bursts, loud enough to startle a predator cold. And it is not random. The beetle can swivel its rear nozzle and aim where danger moves fast. The toad flinches, blinks, backs off, and suddenly, dinner seems like a really bad decision. Let's slow it down. This is not one big explosion. It is a rapid series of tiny blasts now. So why does the beetle not roast itself? Its reaction chamber is built to handle the heat. Better yet, the spray fires in quick pulses, giving force, control, and repeat shots when needed. This is not movie fire. It is a hot, irritating chemical jet, and that is more than enough. Eyes sting, mouth burns. Predators learn fast. One bad bite can turn into a lifelong warning. Scientists found the chemicals stay apart until the last second, which stops a messy self-own. For scale, this insect is tiny, yet it carries a defense system that beats animals much bigger. Birds hesitate, ants scatter, toads retreat. Size matters less when your tail acts like a cannon. From the predator's view, the attack feels instant. Heat, spray, sound, confusion, then regret. Some species can even direct the blast with amazing accuracy, hitting threats from tricky angles. That pop matters too. Sound adds shock. For a hunter mid-attack, surprise can be everything. The chemistry is simple to say, hard to survive. Stored compounds mix, react, heat, and fire. One compound is hydrogen peroxide, another is hydroquinone. Together, they make the hot spray. In plain language, the beetle carries parts of a reaction, then finishes the mix at go time. Evolution did not build this overnight. Small changes stacked up into a stunning defense system. That is why people call it the Bombardier Beetle. It does not just spray, it counterattacks. And it can fire more than once, turning one tiny insect into a rapid response danger zone now. Think of it like a living pressure cooker with perfect aim inside one glossy little shell. For years, researchers knew the spray worked, but not exactly how the pulsing mechanism worked. Then, high-speed imaging helped reveal the chamber action, showing how bursts happen so fast. So no, this is not a myth. The beetle is not magic either. It is chemistry with perfect timing. If you were the toad here, would you risk a second bite or call this meal a hard pass now? Nature loves quiet champions, and this beetle may be one of the boldest tiny fighters alive. Remember the jungle opening? Same beetle, same toad, total power shift once danger starts. Quick test. Which matters most here? Heat, aim, sound, or surprise? Pick one before we reveal ours. Our pick is timing. The blast happens exactly when needed, saving energy until the last second. That makes the whole system feel engineered, yet it evolved without blueprints, tools, or labs. A bug the size of your fingertip can launch boiling spray. Let that sink in for 1 second. Also, this defense is about survival, not hunting. The cannon says back off, not come here. Tiny body, stored chemicals, armored chamber, swivel nozzle, pulsed blast. That is the recipe. If this beetle surprised you, drop your favorite fact below. We read the smartest comments first. Like the video if you learned something new, and share it with one friend who loves wild science. Subscribe for more real creature defenses, and tap thanks if you want to power the next episode. Share this with the friend who thinks bugs are boring. Then watch their jaw drop at clip 1. The next time someone says insects are simple, remember the beetle with a boiling cannon tail.